The 2026 bracket is set, and if you're watching on a Roku, Firestick, or Apple TV, you can catch every single second of March Madness from your couch. Step 1. Choose your all-in-one app. YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, and Fubo are available on all three devices. These give you CBS, TBS, TNT, and truTV in a single channel guide. Just head to your device's app store, search for the service, and hit download. Step 2. The March Madness Live app. This is a must-have for all streaming stick users. It aggregates every game into one hub. On Apple TV and Fire Stick, you can even use Multiview to watch up to 4 games at once during the chaotic opening rounds. If you're a budget streamer, remember you can also download the Paramount Plus app for CBS games and the Max app for everything on the Turner networks. Let's walk through the menus on these devices to see exactly how to find and install these apps. Subscribe for more 2026 games tips.